Hi guys, today we're gonna use a rice cooker to make a cake the smart way. First thing you're gonna do is separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Combine the milk, oil, vanilla extract, salt, and mix it up. Grab your cake flour and the cornstarch and sieve it through the sieve. Now whisk it until well combined. We're gonna add the egg yolks in. This is the consistency that you want. You're gonna whisk your egg whites along with some sugar until you get stiff peaks. So you want to see this cute curve? This is stiff peaks. Put a bit of egg whites into the egg yolk. Fold it until you get a perfect color of cream. Pop it into the rice cooker. Cook. While the cake is cooking, we're gonna cut some peaches to decorate the cake. It's been 40 minutes and I'm very excited to check if the cake is ready. No wet batter, really moist, crumbly. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! Guys, you know why it worked? I've kept my fingers crossed all this time! Now on to decorate the cake. We're gonna add some almond slices. We're gonna top it all off with icing sugar. Ooh, fluffy! Let me taste it. It's eggy, it's moist, and it's really fragrant. And this is how you make a peach sponge cake with a rice cooker. Easy peachy!